In this video, we're going to review Big Ideas Section 8.3, numbers 12, 13, and 14. So in number 12, we're asked to find how much more area is the Hillsborough Inlet Lighthouse than the Jupiter Inlet Lighthouse, and you can see that the Hillsborough is much larger than the Jupiter. And in both of these, we're given radius, which is a good thing because that's going to make our finding the area for each one a lot easier. So let's look at the area first of Jupiter. And remember again, area is pi times r. And we know that the radius for Jupiter is equal to 18. So I'm going to have 3.14 times 18 times 18. And that one's going to equal 1017.36, and that's miles squared. Now, the area of the Hillsborough is, again, pi times r, and the radius at Hillsborough is 28, so I'm going to have 3.14 times 28 times 28. And that's going to equal 2,461.76 miles squared. Now it's asking you for what's the difference in the area in square miles. Well, the difference means, and we'll put area difference, it means we're going to take the bigger one, which is Hillsborough, minus the area of Jupiter, and we're going to subtract them. So we're going to do 2461.76 minus 1017.36. And we get that 1444.4 square miles. All right, in this example, we have a semicircle, which means to find my area, I'm going to take the area of a circle and divide it by 2. The other thing I need to do is figure out what the radius is. In this case, I'm shown my diameter is 40 centimeters. So my radius is going to equal my diameter divided by 2, which is 20. Now, the area of my circle is going to be pi times r, divide by 2. So I have 3.14 times 20 times 20, and then divide that by 2, and that equals the 628 centimeters squared. Okay, now we have another semicircle. So again, I'm going to, in order to find the area of my semicircle, I'll draw a little semicircle. I'm going to take the area of a circle and divide it by 2. And before I start, I'm given, again, diameter, and I have to find radius. So my diameter is equal to 24 inches. My radius is my diameter divided by 2. So 24 divided by 2 would be 12. And again, the area of a circle is pi times r, divided by 2 to make it a semicircle. So I'm going to have 3.14 times 12 times 12, and I'm going to divide it by 2, and I end up with 226.08, and that is going to be inches squared. And it says round to the nearest hundredth, and the nearest hundredth would be to the second decimal point.